Honestly, I'm embarrassed that I'm even posting this video. In this video, I broke pretty much all my rules. I over leveraged like crazy, and I definitely know I am starting to instill some bad trading habits. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay. I'm on the path to becoming a consistently profitable day trader. In these videos, I share my thought processes, my wins, and my losses to ultimately help you become a better trader. If you want to join me on this journey, hit the like button, smash the subscribe, and let's jump into the charts. So the 4 hour came into this area and it rejected up, and it did not show any willingness or desire to respect this order block and just continues going up. So the drawn liquidity is up here. We're into this fair value gap. So I'm only going to be looking for long entries. On the 1 hour, it looks like price came right into this area, but just missed the CE of this wick. So I drew a line here just to see what we could potentially anticipate over the next 19 minutes. Wow, just look at that beautiful rejection right from the CE of this wick on the 1 hour. I want to see where this closes because that, I think, determines the bias for the day. Look at that. So price closed above this black candle. So I think we are bullish. If that's the case, I think price wants to reach above this black candle on the daily. I am trading with 10 contracts, extremely risky. I mean, the thing is, over the weekend, my 50K account gets reset. So I thought it'd be better just to fail it intentionally or just size up like crazy and get this account to above 50K. I can already feel myself developing some bad habits with this. This is too much. I mean, $125 a tick. Oof. Yeah, well, anyways, I exited. It may go up, may not, but wow. Yeah. Bad habits coming in hot. Yeah, I really should have exited at this order block right here. I'm not sure why I got out. I guess I wasn't used to trading 10 lots at once, and maybe it was a little bit of fear. Honestly, I should have just trusted the process and just gone with it, because either way, I know that I'm intentionally trying to fail this, but at the same time, if I can pass it, might as well, just because this account resets in a few days. All right, so the fact that price didn't immediately get away from here, I'm looking to enter short right on this order block. It did show willingness to go lower, and then if I do, I'm gonna target this right here on the 1 minute. Okay, we do not have a fill yet. Almost filled. Tight stop. I do need to see it reject sharply lower. If not, I'm closing this. And I'm out. It was not moving as aggressively as I would have liked it to, because there is an order block here. Hit this. I wanted to go lower, but it was not. So just a scratch. Lost a ton on commissions, but it's okay. So I put in a limit on this order block. If I get filled, putting a tight stop, and then I'm gonna target this gap right here. I missed the fill by 1 tick, but let's see if I get filled or not. On the 15-second, there's a bunch of relative equal highs up here. Let's see if I get in. I'm short. I need to see some immediate rejection. Okay, looking good. I'm trying to get out at this gap right here, and that goes into this order block in the 5 minutes. So that's why I'm taking this trade. Well, I decided to exit. It was taken too long, and I wanted to see it really displace lower, but it did not. I guess it's my patience problem, you know? But also we are in this chop, and so there's nothing here that I would really feel comfortable trading. It may still come down here, and I could have been a little bit more patient, but I don't know. I guess trading that many contracts all at once, I was trading the P&L, not the actual chart. So that is important to recognize that I could have waited for this to get hit on the 1 minute. There we go. Literally just had to wait a few more minutes and I would have gotten filled, and that would have been 3 handles. All I really need is 8 to pass my challenge, and so I would have been almost halfway. I'm in. I need to see immediate rejection, and I want to get out right up here. Let's see how this goes. So on the 5 minute, we are hitting the CE, which is a good sign. I need to see it go up. I want to get out right here. Good. Glad it's working out. There's a fair value gap and an order block right here. I think that is the next draw on liquidity, unless it stops right here. I need to see how it reacts right here to this order block. Looks like it is rejecting. I need it to really punch through it for me to stay in this trade. And I got out. It was not punching through it, so looked not that great. Came right to this order block, and then looks like it started going lower, so got out. So I bought at market. Probably a bad trade, but basically just came to got all this liquidity. I'm trying to exit at this order block on the 1 minute. This is painful, trading 10 contracts. I just cannot hold it. It's the P&L is really hitting me, really affecting me, but this is the way. Literally, the strategy is called YOLO trades. Come on, man. Gonna hit it. 1 more tick. Come on. There we go. Perfect. I'm above the 50,000 mark, hit my new equity high with this account. So, gonna keep gambling and see if I can pass. Hey, even though I'm making very poor decisions with my trading, I hope you're getting value on what not to do so you can become a better trader. If you're liking this video, hit that like button, smash the subscribe. It will help with the YouTube algorithm and it'll help us share our journey with other aspiring traders. All right, let's see if I can get long on this order block right here. If I get filled, I'm going to target this gap right here. Okay, so I got filled. Let's see if I can exit. The 1 minute price did come into this order block. I need to see it reject. I guess we never took out the highs here, so I don't know, probably a bad trade. But we only have a few more hours till the day closes. So I'm really being aggressive right now. Good, moving the stop now that it came down here. Would not like it to go lower. Now I just want to see it punch through this and go higher. Price on the 5 minute, 15 minute came right to the CEO of their respective wicks. And so that's why I feel pretty good with this. Let's see if we get a fill, or you know what, actually stop right here at this gap. Let's see. I want to see how it reacts right here. Let's see it punch through this. I'm out. I wanted to get out right here, but couldn't hold it, and yeah, it's fine. Only need 2 more thousand to get funded. Let's see if I can do it. All right, looks like it wants to go lower. Just took this out. I can probably get short right here. Sold at market, really tight stop. Actually, yeah, this is actually just a really bad trade. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I straight up entered a market order instead of a limit, so cost me some money. Now let's see it rip lower. Maybe. It's taken way too long. I think I'm just gonna close this right now. Oof, lost a little bit. It's okay. Not too much damage, but yeah, did take a haircut. I'm just using market order, entered in short out of FOMO. Saw that price took out this liquidity. I don't know, maybe a bad trade. Really need to see this displace in the next 8 seconds. We have a very tight stop here. It's in this order block. Let's see. And I got stopped. I took it out, so I'm going to try to enter in long here on this order block. Gonna be a tight stop, and I'm going to target this gap right here. We are filled. Aiming for singles, you know. Good so far. Perfect. I just need to find more of these on the 15 seconds if I am looking to pass. Guys, this is killing me. I just need 6 more handles and I can pass my challenge. And I'm willing to fail it to pass it just because this account resets this weekend. So I'm kind of going all in, but I need to look for good setups, and I literally cannot do anything with this. Even on the 15 second, there's like nothing here I can trade, right? This is just absolute trash. So it's 1:45, hoping for something to show up in the next hour or two. Okay, I am short. I got short on this order block. I'm gonna target this gap right here. Perfect. Close the trade at a nice little profit. Well, this is exciting. You know, sometimes this happens. I mean, my model is literally low-hanging fruits, but price did come, sweep out all this liquidity, ended up in the new week opening gap and midnight opening time. There's actually a fair value gap on the 15 minute and this order block, so I want to see how price reacts. But yeah, I mean, if I held it for literally 30 seconds more, it would have passed my challenge, but you know, who's gonna know? So yeah, fun fact. Okay, looking for potential longs here on the 15 second. Okay, let's see if I get filled. Okay, so I am filled. Now let's see what happens. Goes to exit right here at this fair value gap. It may go down a little more. Okay, closed at main threshold, which is good. Okay, and gonna get stopped probably. Dang, yeah, got stopped. I would have liked a stronger liquidity grab here, but if it takes out this, I'd say we're in a buy program. I'd like to enter in on this order block if that's what happens. Let's see if I get filled here on this order block. Gonna be a tight stop. All right, we are right here. I'm probably gonna get stopped, honestly. I need to see where this candle closes on the 1 minute. Okay, so I think we are potentially good. I don't know, I may still get stopped out, but oof, getting real close. We have 20 seconds for this. I need to see it really go up, but it is respecting the main threshold of this order block, so we might potentially be good. So just gonna sit here, hope, and wait. Again, this is really bad trading on my end. I'm only doing this because we got 1 day to pass this challenge. It is at the new week opening gap also, so there is a lot of consolidation. That is something else that, you know, I have to keep in mind. Yeah, it's possible it's gonna come wick me out, so I'm actually gonna go ahead, close it, next tick. I got out just because it's not moving as aggressively as I'd like it to. It's literally in a consolidation right here, and it may potentially come take out all this liquidity before it runs up, so got out before then. I entered in, so we will see if I get filled. It's gonna be a really tight stop. We are in. I can target these lows, 44.54. Probably gonna get stopped right now because I'm being reckless. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing. There we go. That was the accumulation, the manipulation. I got taken out right here, and then here is the distribution. So it wants to, I think, target a little bit lower down here. So I'm going to see if I could enter in on this order block, but I can tie it right here. Okay, I am in. Now I need to see it expand lower. Maybe this was the manipulation again. I may get stopped again. Oof, there we go. Got stopped. That was the last footage I had. I blew my account and I don't know, lots of ups and downs, emotional roller coaster. I definitely hit my objective of getting above the $50,000 threshold, but then I decided to keep pushing my luck to try to pass the challenge in one day. I guess for me, I knew that I didn't really have anything to lose, but I was building really bad habits by doing that. So in the future, I think that if I am in drawdown and the renewal is coming up, I need to get my equity balance to above 50,000. Once I'm there, I need to stop trading. By trying to gamble and trying to push it to try to pass it, even if I pass, and especially if I pass, it would build really bad habits for me to continue over leveraging to try to make these home run days when that is just not reality. So yeah, I did break some rules, but I learned what not to do. So as we're going through this, I'm documenting both my ups and downs so you as a viewer can learn what not to do and for me to look back and see the progress that I have made. If you enjoyed this video, I think you're going to love this video.